Exercising your facial muscles may help tone your face and minimize fine lines and wrinkles. To exercise the muscles around your eyes, first place your index fingers on the outer corners of your eyes and your middle fingers at the inner corners of your eyebrows. Then apply pressure upward and look up toward the ceiling. Hold for 10 seconds. Release and repeat 6 more times. To exercise your lower face muscles, first make an O shape with your mouth and hide your teeth with your lips. Now smile widely while still hiding your teeth. Relax and repeat this 6 times. To exercise your forehead muscles, first place both of your hands on your forehead with your fingers spread out between your hairline and eyebrows. Then pull your fingers out across your forehead in opposite directions. Repeat this 10 more times. Do your facial exercises for 10 minutes every day for the best results.